Hey y'all, my name's Tina. Welcome to Southern Skincare Haven. Today I'm going to share with you how I make a body scrub. And here's what it looks like. I call it Pretty in Pink Grapefruit. It's soft yet firm, glides on easily, won't fall out of the jar. It's smooth, softens, and moisturizes. My best recipe so far. I live in the South and it gets really hot here. We wear shorts and short sleeves April through October, so a great scrub is a must in our neck of the woods. Here's my ingredient list. I purchased the ingredients from various suppliers, Wholesale Supplies Plus, Lotion Crafter, Making Cosmetics, and Amazon. You could swap out the oils and the butters, but your scrub would have a different feel. The e-wax, all it does is give it a nice lotiony consistency. And when the water hits it, it washes off clean so you don't feel greasy afterwards. I'm using two different scales. One measures 1 gram and over, and then the smaller one measures less than 1 gram. Everything that I use has already been washed and sprayed with alcohol, as well as my surfaces. This includes my packaging. Some folks say you shouldn't have to alcohol your packaging, but I do just to make myself feel better. In the next few minutes of this video, I'll be measuring, mixing, and just putting all the ingredients into one container, and then I'll be putting it in a double boiler. We'll be bringing the temp up to about 158 and holding it for about 10 minutes just to make sure that everything's good and melted, and this is part of the emulsification process. We're bringing all these oils together, and then we'll put it into the freezer for about 15 minutes. We'll let it solidify. And it didn't get quite slushy enough, so I had to put it back in the freezer. And once I did, it looks like this. And then you can mix it up into that buttered consistency. I did add some rose and mica powder to it. I bought off Amazon. Any kind of mica, as long as it's skin safe, is fine. And then I add the fragrance oils to it. Make sure I measure those out, and then you can just mix it all together, and you see how it fluffs up, and it makes a ginormous amount. This made 3 or 4 jars of scrub. And here's the mica powder that I used. And again, look how full this jar got. And one of my favorite parts is actually scooping it out and putting it into a jar. So the next thing for me to do is to label it. But just look at the scrub. This is definitely my favorite recipe so far that I've made. I've been making body scrubs for almost a year now. I made several at Christmas. I probably made about 20 scrubs. And then all of a sudden, 3 months ago, folks started coming back and saying, hey, I want some more scrub. You know, I'm willing to pay you for it. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I never dreamed in a million years that, you know, a Christmas gift that I gave to everybody, they would come back and want more and want to pay for it. So that was really surprising to me. So if you make this recipe, let me know in the comments. I'll have the recipe ingredients written out down there in places where you can buy them and pick them up. And yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot.